This video brings you an innovative LED floodlight series. They are made of die casting, aluminum housing with industrial anti-corrosion painting. All components adopted inside are based on principal reliable fit. Redesigned tilted angle bracket is more convenient for installation. Multi-installation methods are available. Pole mounted installation, wall mounted installation, ceiling mounted installation. Mounted installation. Technology is adopted to ensure stable performance. Twin towers are available. Lens and non-lens versions are optional.